Mel 2204, your budget vlogger host. Subscribe!
Magandang araw Pilipinas, narito naman ang ating update para sa ating Binibining Pilipinas International 2024. Mirna Esguerra captured everyone's attention as she graced social media wearing a breathtaking Japanese kimono, truly an image of elegance and respect for culture. Makikita sa kanyang suot ang detalyado at makulay na disenyo ng kimono, a timeless symbol of grace and Japanese tradition. Ayon kay Mirna, Japanese tradition is truly beautiful. I'm so honored to wear such a beautiful symbol of Japanese culture. Ang bawat hibla at detalye ng kanyang suot ay kumakatawan sa disiplina, artistry at kultura ng bansang Japan, the land of the rising sun. Hindi rin nakalimutan ni Mirna na pasalamatan ang gumawa sa kanyang napakagandang kimono na si Miss Myla Chutaichi. Sabi niya, "You are such an amazing woman. It was my pleasure wearing your masterpiece." Tunay nga, the elegance of this kimono mirrors the beauty of Japanese craftsmanship and the artistry of Chutaichi. This outfit is more than just fashion, it's bridge between cultures. Bilang Binibining Pilipinas International, ipinapakita ni Mirna na ang modern Filipina ay hindi lamang maganda, kundi may pusong marunong magbigay pugay sa iba't ibang kultura sa mundo. Her poise, humility and respect makes her a perfect candidate for the Miss International 2025 stage. Kaya naman patuloy din nating suportahan ang ating pambato. Maraming salamat sa panonood at maraming salamat sa pag-subscribe.